some important inverse trigonometric functions formula I wrote there. These formulas you will learn in inverse trigonometry chapter. Just for the next differentiation, I need some formulas that I wrote here. In detail about this you will learn in inverse trigonometric chapter. 2 sin inverse x is equal to sin inverse 2x into root of 1 minus x square. 2 cos inverse x is cos inverse 2x square minus 1. 2 tan inverse x is equal to tan inverse 2x by 1 minus x square, 1 in terms of tan. In terms of sin it is 2x by 1 plus x square. In terms of cos it is 1 minus x square by 1 plus x square. 3 sin inverse x formula, sin inverse 3x minus 4x cube. 3 cos inverse x equal to cos inverse 4x cube minus 3x. 3 tan inverse x equal to tan inverse 3x minus x cube by 1 minus 3x square. Similarly, we can make use of this also. Sin inverse x plus cos inverse x equal to pi by 2. Similarly, secant inverse x plus cosecant inverse x is pi by 2. Tan inverse x plus cot inverse x is equal to pi by 2. If you want to express one in terms of other, say for example cosecant inverse x, if you want, you can express in terms of sin inverse. Sin inverse x becomes its reciprocal 1 by x. All the details you will learn in inverse trigonometry. Similarly, secant inverse x, if you want in terms of cos inverse, it's the reciprocal 1 by x. Similarly, tan inverse, say for example 1 by x, if you want in terms of cot inverse, it's a reciprocal, that is x. Using this we can differentiate inverse trigonometric functions using the basic formulas. Higher level problem will do later. Say for example y is equal to, that is sin inverse 2x into 1 minus x square under root. Find dy by dx. Find dy by dx, or differentiate the following. Now dy by dx, before that I will make use of this formula. Y is equal to, what is sin inverse 2x into 1 minus x square? This is 2 sin inverse x formula. 2 sin inverse x formula. Now dy by dx is equal to 2 into sin inverse x differentiation is 1 by root of 1 minus x square. That's it. If you know the formula, one step answer. Similarly, I will take one more example. That is y is equal to cos inverse 2x square minus 1. Find dy by dx. Then dy by dx, before finding the differentiation, cos inverse 2x square minus 1 formula I will make use of. Y is equal to, what is cos inverse 2x square minus 1? It is 2 cos inverse x. Now differentiate. Dy by dx is equal to 2. Cos inverse x differentiation is minus 1 by root of 1 minus x square. The same problem only they can give like this. Y is equal to secant inverse 1 by 2x square minus 1. First I need to express this in terms of cos inverse. I told the formula here. Secant inverse, if you want to convert into cos inverse, just reciprocal the input. Input is here is x. Reciprocal it, that is 1 by x. So if you want to convert secant inverse in terms of cos inverse, just take the reciprocal. 1 by 2x square minus 1 becomes 2x square minus 1. This you will learn in inverse trigonometry in detail. Now y is equal to, what is cos inverse 2x square minus 1? This is 2 cos inverse x. Now differentiate. Dy by dx is equal to 2 into cos inverse x differentiation is minus 1 by root of 1 minus x square. This is dy by dx. Similarly, say for example this formula I will consider, that is sin inverse 2x by 1 plus x square. Instead of that I will take like this here. Y is equal to, this is sin inverse formula, I will take that as cos inverse, but input is from sin inverse. that is 2x by 1 plus x square. 2x by 1 plus x square must be the input to the sine inverse. Sine inverse 2x by 1 plus x square is nothing but 2 tan inverse x. But I give this input to cos inverse. That means I need to convert cos inverse in terms of sine. How to convert cos into inverse in terms of sine? Here it is the formula. Sin inverse x plus cos inverse x equal to pi by 2, or cos inverse x equal to pi by 2 minus sin inverse x. So cos inverse something is equal to y is equal to pi by 2 minus sin inverse something. Cos inverse input is from sin inverse. This is the input for the sin inverse. 2x by 1 plus x square is sin inverse input. But the function is cos inverse. For that what I did, cos inverse I converted in terms of sin inverse. Which formula? Here is the formula. Sin inverse x plus cos inverse x equal to pi by 2. So cos inverse x is pi by 2 minus sin inverse x. So cos inverse something is pi by 2 minus sin inverse something. That is 2x by 1 plus x square. Now y is equal to pi by 2 minus, what is sin inverse 2x by 1 plus x square is nothing but 2 tan inverse x. So I will make use of 2 tan inverse x, that formula. Now differentiate. Dy by dx is equal, differentiation of pi by 2 is 0 minus 2 into differentiation of tan inverse x is 1 by 1 plus x square. Take this problem, y is equal to, say cos inverse is the function, 1 minus x square by 1 plus x square is input for cos inverse x. Instead of that I will take it as for sin inverse x. Say sin inverse, for sin inverse input is this 2x by 1 plus x square. I will take this input for sin inverse x, that is 1 minus x square by 1 plus x square. Sin inverse 1 minus x square by 1 plus x square, we don't have any formula. We don't have any formula. But cos inverse 1 minus x square by 1 plus x square is your formula 2 tan inverse x. So I need to convert sin inverse in terms of cos inverse. How to convert? Sin inverse x plus cos inverse x equal to pi by 2, or sin inverse x equal to pi by 2 minus cos inverse x. In the place of x I have 1 minus x square by 1 plus x square. That is y is equal to pi by 2 minus, what is cos inverse 1 minus x square by 1 plus x square is nothing but 2 tan inverse x. That is 2 tan inverse x. Now differentiate. Dy by dx is equal to, what is differentiation of pi by 2, which is a constant 0 minus 2 into tan inverse x differentiation is 1 by 1 plus x square. This is the differentiation. Similarly, y is equal to sin inverse 3x minus 4x cube. Find dy by dx. Find dy by dx. First I will make use of the formula. Whenever inverse trigonometry is there, first think about the formula. Don't think about the chain rule. Sin inverse something, differentiation and so on. First think about the formula of inverse trigonometry, then differentiate. Don't use chain rule. Now y is equal to sin inverse 3x minus 4x cube is nothing but 3 sin inverse x. It's the formula I wrote here. Sin inverse 3x minus 4x cube is nothing but 3 sin inverse x. Now differentiate. Dy by dx is equal to 3 into sin inverse x differentiation is 1 by root of 1 minus x square. Similarly, y is equal to, say tan inverse I will take. Tan inverse 3x minus x cube divided by 1 minus 3x square. Now y is equal to, don't think about the chain rule here. Tan inverse something is 1 by 1 plus something, the square into differentiation of something and so on. First think about the inverse trigonometry, it is easy compared to that. If you use chain rule, again you have to simplify to get the final answer. It's a tough one. For that I will make use of the inverse trigonometry formula. It becomes easy. Tan inverse 3x minus x cube by 1 minus 3x square is nothing but 3 tan inverse x. Now differentiate. Dy by dx is equal to 3 into tan inverse x differentiation is 1 by 1 plus x square. Just one step answer. If you use inverse trigonometric formula, just one step answer. Last problem I will take. Y is equal to, say, secant inverse 1 by x. Again we can use the formula. Secant inverse something is 1 by x into root of x square minus 1 formula. Instead of that, I will use the inverse trigonometric formula. Secant inverse 1 by x is nothing but cos inverse x. Now differentiate. dy by dx is equal to cos inverse x, differentiation is minus 1 by root of 1 minus x square. This is dy by dx. All are one step answers. If we make use of the inverse trigonometric formula, only one step answer. Now last one. Y is equal to, say, sin inverse x plus cos inverse x. First day itself I given this under simple problems, but now I am doing this by using inverse trigonometric formula. Y is equal to, what is sin inverse x plus cos inverse x? Sin inverse x plus cos inverse x is pi by 2. Now dy by dx is equal to, what is the differentiation of pi by 2? It is 0. In the first class, how you did this one? Using simple functions. That is dy by dx is equal to, you did like this. Sin inverse x differentiation is 1 by root of 1 minus x square. Cos inverse x differentiation is minus 1 by root of 1 minus x square. You cancelled it. It is equal to 0. Like this you did in the first exercise. Now you are doing by using inverse trigonometry. Sin inverse x plus cos inverse is pi by 2. Pi by 2 differentiation is 0 because it is a constant. That completes inverse trigonometric differentiation by using inverse trigonometry.